Here are the pieces you need to make the head and the connecting neck. So some of these are partially made again, and these are the same. These are the same. There's not really much reflection, but some of the pieces are kind of hard to see, but yeah, I'll show you how to build them now then. Let's get started. Fix this real quick. Okay, so to begin, you will need a 2x2 plate. Place a 1x2 tile on top of it like that, and then a 1x2 with a hole in the middle right there. Then you'll need a 1x1 with a hook thingy. Place it right on top of that, like so. Then you'll need the famous Among Us piece. Sorry to say, but then you just connect it. Make sure the stud is facing upwards on top of this tile. Move that to the side. Now we will need, let's see, okay. Take a 1x3 and place a 1x1 in the middle. Then you need these two studs. Place them on the side like that. This is for the eyes, by the way. Then you'll need one of these snot pieces with the hole in the back. Place one of these sloped pieces right on top of that like that. Then you will need, it's like these toothy pieces. Place a circular tile on top of it, like so. And make sure it's facing opposite. So like, this is for the right. So this is on the right here, and then this is facing backwards, like that. Then you want to place it right on top of that stud for the time being. Then do the same for the left. Slope piece on snot, and then this toothy piece on top, like so. Place it on the eye, like so. Now you'll need, it's like a snot piece with one on each side. Not on these two sides, but just on two sides. Place another slope piece and a 1x1 under it. Place it on top, like that. And then place it right in the middle. Boom. Now on this side, what you want to do is this way or that way. Not quite sure yet, but you'll need a circular 1x2 and placing a 1x1 on top of it. So then we'll just keep that to the side. Now you'll need one of these, the snot pieces with all sides. Place a stud on the back, and then place a stud and a 1x1 on one side, like so, and then a slope piece on top. And do the same for the other side, like that. And then we're just placing it right under. Oh, actually you have to twist this upwards. Make sure it's twisted like that, and then place it under, like so. After that, what you'll want to do is take a 2x3, place a 1x3 on top, And fill this row with those slopey pieces. I just took 3 1x1s and placed them like that. Next, take these 2 shortened wing looking pieces, place one on this side under and one on the other side under, like this. And then take another one of those slopey pieces. Take 2 1x1s, stack them, and place it at the corner end of it. So I took a 2x2 and then a 1x1 that goes here. Then take another 1x1, sorry, 1x2 for that, and 1x1. The numbers are always confusing, but it should look like this. After that, you want to take it and place it on the back. Just wondering if I'm missing something. Other than this. Let's see, so if I place it on this side. Ah, that's right. Okay. Yeah. So take the circular 1x2 and the 1x1. Place it so that the 1x1's on top, like this. Looks a bit like a jumbled mess, but then take it, make sure the wings are facing downwards. Then just smush it in the middle. Like so. Now for the mouth, you'll just need a circular 2x2 and 2 roller skating pieces. Oops, roller skating pieces. And then just place them on each side. Looks like this. And this is for the mouth. Then on the circular middle part, place that for the bottom snot piece, like so. Make sure it's centered, and there's that. Now we're going to focus on the last part of the head. We'll take this L-shaped piece, take a tile 1x1, place it in the middle, then take 1x2 with the hole in the middle, take 2 of those, one there, and one that goes on the other side like so. Then take a stud, place it on under one side and under the other one like that, and then lastly you want 2 of those watermelon pieces or whatever they're called. Place those on each side like so, and it looks like this. Now you place it so that it's connecting to the end of that. It looks like this. This is the head. Now for the connecting thing for the head, you take a 2x2 or 2 1x2s. Take a 1x2 brick, place it at the end of it, and then take a 1x2 snot brick, place it right here, and then take a 2x2 brick and place it on top. Then okay, then you take this piece that you made and place it so that the end's on top of that snot piece. Make sure this is sticking this way. And then with this piece that you made, just connect it to the center right here on the top. Lastly, you connect the head through. Okay, technical difficulties. Sorry, my phone basically lost storage. But basically you just connect the head to the last part right here. And there's that. So now you want to connect it to the centerpiece. Let me get that real quick. So here it is. So with this part right here is going to connect to this top part so that it just clicks right in like that, and make sure it goes down, and boom, there's that torso piece. Now all that's left is, well, if you, assuming that you made all the other pieces, there's just the back left, and then just connecting all together and the weapons, and that's it. Yeah, thanks for watching. God bless.